Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-register sa Shopee. First step is dapat naka-download na kayo ng Shopee app. And then, o-open nyo lang siya. Click nyo yung sign up. Dito sa sign up page, may tatlong way para makapag-sign up. You can use your phone number or cellphone number, or yung Gmail address nyo, or you can connect it to your Facebook. For this tutorial, gagamit ako ng mobile number at saka Facebook account. So, tatype ko lang dito yung mobile number ko. Tatakpan ko lang siya for privacy. Then, pag na-type nyo na, click nyo yung next. And then, dito, itatype nyo lang yung code. Gagayahin nyo lang yung nasa screen. Magte-text sa inyo yung Shopee ng code. Lalagay nyo lang dito. Then, make sure nyo lang na active yung mobile number na ilalagay nyo sa Shopee. And then, click next. And then, dito, maggagawa tayo ng password. Dapat 8 to 16 characters yung password mo. And dapat merong at least one big letter and one small letter. After naman ma-set up yung password, magde-direct na siya sa pinaka-homepage ng Shopee. Next, ang itatry naman natin is magsa-sign up ako gamit ang Facebook account ko. So, continue with Facebook. And then, continue as you or your name. So, yan. And then, magta-type in nyo lang yung email nyo and then, yung username and pipili kayo ng picture nyo. And then, kiklik nyo lang yung sign up. And there you have it. Meron na kayong sariling Shopee account. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching!